Connect power. Install tape reel. Install tape roll in order. Install back the tape protect plate. Go through the tape to upper side. Lift the pressure roller and sending the tape. In feed. Now is manual mode. Need press button to make banding. Turn to auto mode. Now it can sensor and auto banding. Open the arch. Squirt some oil on the both side guide roll. Press jog. Ensure proper lubrication. Open the door and squirt some oil on mechanism. Squirt oil on the 3 knife parts. Press jog to let it lubrication. If feeding paper not smooth or get stuck when feeding, check if there have object blocking. Clean the tape guide groove. Check again there's no block, then it is okay. How to check heat welding. This welding is not good. Check the indentation is obvious or not. If there have press indentation, then please check the temperature. Click manual. Heating set. Turn heating to 8. If heat welding still not good, then need to replace the 2 high temperature wires.